I'm reading paper, still the same pen that you married, and so I'll keep on acting like I don't know. Like nothing's wrong, I just let it go. Yeah, I deny what I see, although it breaks my heart apart. Will you give me?
It's no surprise. I mean, the girl's got eyes. One look at his chest and these thighs is no compromise. Should I feel bad? What, are you mad? Ben is the one to blame, losing his sad. I've seen it all before. You think your wife's out at the store? Well, she's banging on my door for a little bit more.
I'm someone else's wife.